Imagine our entire solar system, sun and planets alike, hurtling through an immense wall of water. It sounds like a scene from a cosmic nightmare, a thought experiment so extreme it defies belief. But let's confront this impossible scenario with scientific rigor. First, consider the sheer scale. Our solar system spans billions of kilometers, mostly empty space. A wall of water, even hundreds of kilometers thick, is utterly insignificant. It would be like a single sheet of paper attempting to halt an ocean liner. The sun, a colossal ball of plasma burning at millions of degrees, would barely register this encounter. Any water approaching its surface would instantly vaporize in a cataclysmic steam explosion. Yet, the sun's immense gravity and energy would remain utterly dominant, unfazed. For solid planets, the impact would be devastating. Earth, moving at 30 kilometers per second, would experience unimaginable drag. Its surface would instantly superheat, boiling away oceans and atmosphere in a violent shockwave. The very structure of the planet would be under immense stress. This immense drag would subtly slow the planets. Over eons, their orbits would decay, pulling them closer to the sun. The delicate gravitational balance would shatter, leading to potential planetary collisions and a chaotic end to our cosmic dance. But here's the ultimate twist: the water itself wouldn't survive. In the vacuum of space, it would instantly vaporize, exploding into a vast cloud of ice particles and gas. The wall would cease to exist long before any significant interaction. Ultimately, the solar system is too vast, too energetic, for a mere wall of water to survive or truly affect its core. The planets would suffer, but the water would simply disperse, a fleeting cosmic mist against the enduring might of the stars. Want to know more interesting facts? Subscribe.